The next stage is the attachment of the side rails to the headboard and footboard legs. This is a highly stressed area, so in my opinion biscuits or poker holes are not an option. Tenons would be okay, but the rails are 7.5 inches in width and 76 inches long, and that creates problems, particularly with the tenon. Our multiple dowel system is stronger than any other system in use. That is our personal guarantee, and is therefore ideal for this application. I use 2-inch dowels, and these are glued into the rails only, not the legs. At final assembly, the structure is clamped and wooden or metal brackets are attached at all 4 corners. In this way, the brackets can be removed and the bed disassembled. Let's get started. Now, in order to save time, I've already drilled the holes within the 2 legs. And since I want to get them identical in the identical position, there's a 4-inch gap at the top and then a 7.5-inch rail. So I've used this template to ensure that all 4 are in exactly the same position, just marking a position on top of the leg as shown here, and continue with the set square. Now, there are many permutations we could use here. This is a 7.5-inch rail. You can see here I've shown 4 and 4, 3 and 3, and another sequence again is 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Whichever your preference is. I am favouring this one here. Now, the rail is again 7/8 thick, so if you remember the formula, 7/8 halved is 7/16, minus 3/8 is a 16, so we need a 16th washer to centre exactly on the 7/8 timber. This has been set up. You use a check marks as normal. The check mark is here and here. And we'll begin. We'll miss the first one and we'll drill 2, 3 and 4. Now we'll use the indexing pin to rearrange the pattern, and we'll insert the indexing pin into the last hole. You can also use the long distance gauge in a different manner. Okay, now we're going to drill number 5 using this first one as the reference. Do the next 2. Well, that's it completed. So we'll get a total of 6, which is way stronger than the parent material itself, and will give you a good strong connection. Now we're ready to dry fit. Now when I'm dry fitting with using dowels, I almost never use the whole number. However, in this case I've decided to leave them all in simply because of the design of the arrangement. The legs should come off fairly readily. Now the footboard. Very, very strong joint. Now some of you will wonder why we claim that the dowel joint is stronger, and there are three reasons. The first is accuracy, the second is the geometric configuration of the dowel, and the third is the close spacing. It provides a very, very strong and accurate joint. Thank you.